Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Killer Whale DCA King strategy. First, you're going to go over to the marketplace. We're going to click on strategies. In the search bar, you're going to type in Killer Whale. We're going to sort by strategies. Killer Whale DCA King. In this example, I'm going to be using Pay with Balance. Go ahead and click Pay Now. Once downloaded, make sure to click Auto Update. Now you can go back over to the Marketplace tab. Go to Templates. You can find the classic Kucoin template in Best Templates, or you can search in the top. Killer Whale. We'll sort by templates. In this example, we'll be using the Kucoin template, so it's about halfway down the page. Classic Kucoin template. Download and auto update. Next, you can come over to config and base config. Go ahead and select the actions tab and load template. Killer Whale template Kucoin USDT is the template we just downloaded. Go ahead and click load template. Once your template is loaded, you come over to strategy, uncheck signals only, and select Killer Whale DCA King as your strategy. Go ahead and click save. After you've clicked save, you can go over to sell settings. And for DCA King, you can set your take profit between 10 and 100%. For this, we're going to set it at 50. And then next, you can come over to trailing stop loss. Arm trailing stop loss can be set anywhere between 7 and 40%. For this example, we're going to set it at 20. And then trailing stop loss percentage can be set anywhere between 1 and 20%. So for this example, we're going to do 5%. Click save. Then you can come back over to your dashboard. Once you come to your dashboard, you can enable your hopper. Once your hopper is enabled, it will begin making trades, and you're off. Killer Whale, change the way you trade.